nothing to worry about.
But we have to worry about our monster music car.
Oh, that's right. What's wrong with it?
Hello, I am Bob the reporter, live from Monster Music News, on location at the Monster Music Factory to deliver the good news. Doobie, Doobop, did you hear about your monster music car?
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet. Well, I know what's the matter.
Oh, you do? Is it okay now?
Well, sure, it's okay, but there is one problem.
There is? Is it serious?
Can it run again?
Oh,
No, 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 not the music car. The music car is fine. Doobop has a problem.
Me? What's the matter with me?
Well, Doobop, did you put any music gas in the music car today before you drove it?
No, I didn't.
What? The music car runs on music. Don't you know that?
There you go. The music car stopped because it needed music.
Oh, then that means...
That's right. If you put music in the monster music car, it will run like the wind.
Oh, wow! Thank you! Thank you!
Thank goodness!
But there's one more little thing. We don't have enough music to put in the car right now.
That's right!
We'd better hurry then.
Oh, well, there's some more good news. Factory Manager Bob, in fact, is already on his way. Where? To meet his friends.
Already?
Whoa, how did he get there so fast?
Well, he was down by the station. He took a fast train. Puff, puff, toot, toot.
Oh, he took a train?
That's right. Now, let's call Bob.
Yes! Doobie Doobop! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Monster Music Factory!
Kids English School.
Kids